Are you a homeowner looking to get a new roof and you've always thought about solar panels, seeing it on your neighbors' houses, or maybe you're somebody getting solar panels and you need to add a new roof to it? Here are the top 4 reasons why adding solar panels and a new roof to your home at the same time might be the most optimal and best investment for your house. We'll start off with number 4, the fourth one being the fixed payment. When you are combining your roof with your solar system, you are adding both of them into one loan and you're having one payment to pay for your electricity. Your solar is going to cover your electricity costs and it's going to roll in the cost for your loan, and that way you're able to have longer terms as well too for financing your system. Reason number 3, protecting your investment. When you're adding solar onto your new home, it's a 25-year relationship with the panels and your roof, right? The best thing that we want to do is protect your investment for getting your solar system and for getting a new roof. We want to make sure that we're minimizing any of the damages. Both teams are working together synonymously to make sure that your roof has no damages, no leaks, no anything like that, no need for replacements, any kind of work in the future. And we're able to do that when we're adding solar just because it's all one big process. And essentially the way I would describe adding solar panels onto a homeowner's home, it's like adding a phone case onto an iPhone, right? Your home is your iPhone, it's bare, it's naked, it's there, and any kind of damage can happen to it. When you're adding those black on black panels, it's absorbing the heat, it's protecting your roof, it's protecting your investment. So reason number 2, no money out of pocket. When you're getting a new roof, one of the biggest struggles that homeowners have to deal with is having some sort of money out of pocket. Whether you're paying a deductible with your insurance company or flat out you're just paying for a brand new roof replacement. When you're adding solar with your roof replacement, the best part about it is that you're incorporating it into a loan with the solar, and all the solar financing companies, all of our lenders are zero down, no money out of pocket. This will help you in the event that you have to get a new roof and you don't have the money for it up front, or if you have that money and you want to use it for something else during these times. And reason number 1, 30% federal tax credit. In what other situation would you be getting a 30% federal tax credit for your roof? Would you be getting a discount from a nice contractor that you have? Would you be getting a discount from the government, from the city? Well, when you're adding solar with your new roof, you're getting a 30% discount on the cost of a new roof in the way of the federal tax credit for the solar system. The Inflation Reduction Act says that 30% of the cost of the system can be given back to it on your income taxes as a federal tax credit. Now, because this is a structural addition for your solar system, the government's also implying that you're getting a 30% federal tax credit on the cost of your new roof as well. So not only are you getting a new roof with zero money out of pocket, but you're also getting 30% of the cost back into your pockets for getting a new roof when you're going solar. Going back to my first experience with the solar industry actually was when my family got solar and a new roof back in 2017. We needed a new roof at that time, and we had 2 options: either pay for a brand new roof out front, or we can add the addition of solar with a new roof. When we did that, we got 30% federal tax credit on the cost of the new roof as well as the solar system. Had to pay no money out of pocket, and my dad actually used that 30% coupon from his taxes to help pay for my sister and I's college tuition. So that's a personal way of how we were able to save with that money and kind of apply it towards something else. Hopefully you're able to get some insight from this video. Those are my top 4 reasons why combining a roof with a solar system is a no-brainer. And hopefully we're able to touch in a situation that you're currently in right now. If you like the video, if you like the information that we were giving out, please leave us a like, us, and a follow, and a subscribe.